SPX6900 is absolutely flying today, up 51% on the 24-hour chart, putting in a huge green candle. We're just above 1.4 billion market cap, currently nearing the all-time high set 2 weeks ago of 1.5 billion. So this is the level we have to break, 1.5 billion. Once we plow past that resistance, the sky is the limit for how high this coin can go. Can we say maybe Pepe is in its sights? I definitely think so. 24-hour chart for this coin, wow, that is a thing of beauty. And not surprisingly, SPX6900 is the #1 biggest gainer of the day by a long shot. The 50%, that the next highest coin, Bonk, only up 17%. So it is triply outperforming every coin. And it's broken into the top 100. We had only hit the top 100 once previously, 2 weeks ago when we hit the all-time high. Now we are at number 82. This is the second time I've covered this project. I did a video on Wednesday when actually the market cap was on this dip right here. Why? Well, I discovered the fundamentals. I discovered a bunch of metrics I really like, so I put it in my long-term bullish category. I knew it was gonna, kind of break up again, and that is what happened today. So what's the cause of the pump? The pump that is so much more than all the other meme coins. Well, part of it is just the market is pumping. Bitcoin's at 4.5%. Ethereum is up about 6%. Remember, SPX started as an Ethereum meme coin. Now it is on a bunch of different chains, multi-chain, but it's mostly known as an Ethereum coin. So ETH memes are pumping, but that still doesn't really explain why it's so much more outperforming of all the other coins. Is it, could there be exchange rumors maybe? Again, SPX6900, if you're not familiar, they're on some big ones, Bybit, Kraken, KuCoin, Gate. They're not on arguably the biggest three, Binance, Coinbase, and OKX. They are not on any of those. So could there be maybe rumors, rumblings in the background that one or all three of those is listing the coin? That certainly is a possibility. I haven't heard anything, but it certainly would explain this huge green candle we're seeing today. So I think what it really comes down to is the metrics. And serious investors are realizing more and more that SPX6900 has the fundamentals necessary to go really far during the 2025 bull run, and they're just aping in more and more as each day goes by to this token. So what are these metrics I'm talking about that look so good? Well, one of them, for example, is this one here. A simple metric, the percentage of each token's holders that own over $1,000 worth of that coin. So obviously, Pepe is going to have the most overall 1,000 plus holders because it's the biggest meme coin. It's 4.5 times the size of SPX. But as a percentage of the total token holders of each that own over $1,000 worth of the coin, SPX is #1 in the market, meme coin market, by far, 36.5%, more than 1/3. Number 2 is way down at 26%, ticker Bitcoin. Pepe is only at 22%. So SPX holders, they just tend to have more skin in the game. Their wallets are a little bit bigger. They tend to be slightly better traders. Here's another simple metric, the average total wallet balance of each token's holder. So it doesn't just account for the holdings of that token, it's the holdings of anything in that wallet. SPX holders, their average wallet balance is $31,000. That is very impressive. A lot of mini whales here. Number 2, Pepe, it's almost half that at $20,000. Here's another metric. The percentage of total holders that are still holding at least half their holdings since the peak market value of that wallet. So this is basically a measure, do the holders know how to hold, particularly when the market is going down? Are they greedy? Do they panic sell or not? SPX, 64%, basically 2/3, are still holding at least half their portfolio holdings since the peak. That is way higher than number 2, Giga, at 49%. And then final metric right here, the 30-day growth of all wallet holdings for each token that have over $100,000. So this is whales. So the whale wallets for each coin, what is the percentage their portfolio is up or down in the last 30 days? SPX up 32%, killing it. Number 2 is in the negatives. Giga, -2%. Keep in mind, Giga outperformed SPX. Giga is up 73% on the month, but apparently those holders suck at trading because their overall portfolio holdings are down 2%. SPX, it's up 50% on the 30-day. Their overall portfolio holdings are up 33%. So SPX holders, they just basically are good traders. They know how to hold. They don't have too many positions. They believe in this coin, and that is what Murad is always preaching. And with the real bull run mania happening in the 4th year of each cycle, 2017, 2021, 2025, it's shaping up to be a good year. So good time to hold SPX6900. That's it for now, guys. SPX Army, drop a comment down below. I'll be back later with a new video. Ben signing out. Catch you later.